Hello, tech aficionados. Join us on Smart Tech as we explore the powerful world of heavy equipment and advanced agricultural machinery. In this video, all the advantages of the self-propelled spraying machine series Horst Lieb 6.300 to 7.300 PT are presented in person. The first of these is the stainless steel tank with a capacity of 7,400 liters. The ergonomic front cabin of the class brand is also worth highlighting, as well as stability and comfort thanks to the cross connection at the level of the suspension system, which avoids the phenomenon of rocking back and forth. This equipment has a powerful 310 horsepower FPT engine equipped with 3 variable flow pumps, one of which drives the oversized motor wheels, whose power has been increased by 30% compared to previous models. And most importantly, you get reliable and precise application thanks to the proven Horst boom. And what's more, the machine has an automatic nozzle change system that ensures quality spraying regardless of travel speed. The new SCE 800TB all-electric crawler crane from multinational heavy equipment manufacturer Sany incorporates Danfoss technology. This launch addresses the increasing demand for zero-emission construction machinery. The crane, with its 80-ton capacity, offers a maximum lifting moment of 300 ton-meters and an impressive boom length of up to 1,850 inches. These specifications ensure top-notch performance and reliability for various auxiliary lifting operations. Designed to lower carbon emissions, enhance air quality, and diminish noise pollution, the SCE 800TB aims to make construction sites more environmentally friendly and safer for both workers and the surrounding community. KWS, together with the University of Göttingen and the Institute for Sugar Beet Research, have decided to tackle weeds in a new way with robots. As part of the project Future Live, they tested robotic systems to combat pesky weeds in sugar beet fields. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality. To think about it, robots that make sure our beets are healthy and weed-free. Things like this not only make farmers' lives easier, but also make agriculture more planet-friendly. Combining multiple advantages with pure electric drive, the VLEX combination maneuvering robot is designed for everyday use. Its components, including the steel construction, are extremely durable. The robot offers maximum drive power and features like a swinging pendulum bridge for increased safety when transitioning off rails. It can swiftly switch from rail to road in just seconds, making the VLEX an ideal solution for shunting and loading tasks up to 600 tons. The MDE Globe 120 is a specially designed tree digging machine with maximum productivity and flexibility in the nursery. Globe is by far the fastest in its class for its speed, as well as for digging trees. Its various features maximize operator comfort. Each MDE Globe Model 120 has its own patented blade locking system, so the blade can be replaced without tools in just 30 seconds. The system secures the blade hydraulically to the machine, but it can also be quickly replaced. SIM Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company Limited, as a professional construction hoist manufacturer, is dedicated to providing comprehensive and reliable lifting solutions. Their XCA 600 all-terrain crane, with a main boom length of 344 feet, outperforms similar tonnage class products. It's versatile enough for significant wind turbine maintenance projects and can transport the main boom, superlift, and heavy loads. Its ability to navigate lower culverts makes it suitable for urban construction. The new E7000 self-propelled harvester utilizes the latest technology, including the EcoClean system to maximize control, efficiency, and dust reduction. This harvester can be configured to harvest almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. The machine has a larger cleaning chain area than any other harvester, which is one of the main advantages. The EcoClean system removes dust from the outlet, and the independent floating pickup head follows the ground contours perfectly. The joystick control allows you to make adjustments with your fingertips. In addition, you get full cab comfort with maximum visibility. How do modern ditching machines work in difficult peatland conditions? OJK auger trenchers offer a solution that combines high productivity and ease of use. They effectively remove obstacles such as trees and roots, making it easy to work in frozen areas. The uniqueness of these machines is that they can create a ditch of the desired depth in a single pass, while the peat ejection system ensures that the peat is evenly distributed on the sides. Additionally, carbide blades and hydraulically operated backplates make it easy to work in areas with dense vegetation and rocks, while the ROS 3000 safety clutch protects the equipment from overloading. Introducing the Solar Cleano B1A, the perfect solution for solar panel cleaning. With advanced automated technology, the Solar Cleano B1A can easily handle both dry and wet cleaning thanks to its built-in water tank. Its ability to move between panels in tight spaces makes it ideal for projects with hard-to-reach solar panels. Its use simplifies the cleaning process and saves you valuable time by completing the entire solar panel project with just one machine. In addition, its sensors ensure that the pressure exerted on the panels is minimized, ensuring that the panels are cleaned efficiently without any damage. Check out McElroy's new Triton 560. It combines the features of three of the company's most innovative machines: the reliable portability of the Trackstar I series, the pipe loading capabilities of the Talon 2000, and the ability to meet the pipe in Acrobat Quick Fit carriages. With 360-degree rotation and a boom that can lift, extend, and bend the carriage to approach and load pipe, Triton increases job site efficiency and enhances workplace safety by eliminating the need to load pipe into the welder from above. Take your construction and mining projects to the next level with the DB45 from Sleipner. This compact low-bed trailer is designed for those who do not recognize boundaries and obstacles. Designed to efficiently transport heavy equipment up to 45 tons over rough terrain, the DB45 guarantees mobility without limits. Its robustness and reliability will not let it down in extreme temperatures, which is why it has already been successfully used in the snowy forests of northern Finland. In a year of using Monarch Mark V electric tractors, like those at Constellation to Kalen Vineyard, a farm can become a model of sustainability. These emission-free machines not only protect the planet, but also increase efficiency through autonomous features. The introduction of the Mark V can reduce fuel costs, reduce the need for manual labor, and ensure precise tasks from planting to harvesting. The use of these tractors in a prestigious vineyard emphasizes the reliability and ability to improve the quality of the iconic wines, making the whole process greener and more efficient. The Prenoth Panther T14R, R for rotating, is an extremely versatile tracked transporter. The Panther T14R has the ability to rotate the cab and body 360 degrees. With very low ground pressure, both loaded and unloaded, these machines can go almost anywhere without much effort. The Prenoth Panther T14R is equipped with a 9.5-yard-long dump body. The tipper body is coated with Hardock steel, which provides significant reinforcement and ensures the most efficient performance. When was the last time you had to tackle a task that seemed impossible? The JF990 from Jecco is like the master key to every construction challenge. Imagine a crane that can lift up to 21.5 tons to the height of a soccer field and then some. Can your current tool arsenal boast such a thing? Not only the power, but this behemoth's dual-sole diesel and electric motors allow it to switch between open space and confined environments with ease. Add to that the ability to utilize various attachments, from a staff scythe to a glass manipulator, and you have a tool that can adapt to any task. The Sennebagen 640E series is a wide-ranging crane for construction, material handling, foundation, hydraulic engineering and dredging, well construction, pipe installation, industrial, and assembly work. It also features a comfortable, modern max cab with up to 8.8 feet of elevation and up to 15-degree tilt capability. Multiple headlights and optional cameras provide comfortable all-around visibility and a high level of worker safety. Ropa's new Mouse 6 is not just a fusion of innovative developments from the Tiger 6S and Panther 2S with the proven reliable and durable components of the Mouse 5. The new premium model from the technological leader in the field of sugar beet loaders and beet harvesters combines reliable technology with modern design. The overall concept, with perfected performance and efficiency, and a 33.5-foot wide intake, combines practical developments with the latest technical innovations from Ropa. The appearance of the Mouse 6 already symbolizes digitization and Agriculture 4.0 policy. The software for the new machine offers many useful new functions. The new K67H, part of SIFA's Carbotech range, is mounted on a truck with a 12x4 wheelbase, which is approximately 196.85 inches. This provides unmatched maneuverability and stability, all thanks to the machine's compact design and clever support system. Its range of 219.8 feet, provided by a 7-section boom, including the last 4 sections made of lightweight carbon fiber, unequivocally demonstrates technical power in matters of new construction efficiency and versatility. Check out the new 350-ton dual-engine dual-propulsion road trains, the DPRT. These powerful machines, with high payloads of up to 500 tons, can substantially reduce transportation time and costs from point A to point B. BIS's patented high-capacity road trains are designed to shorten transportation times and vehicle cycles, boosting productivity while lowering costs. The latest DPRT models, game changers since their initial development in the 2000s, are now more in demand and popular than ever. The K-Tech Model 1228 ADT is a powerful machine with excellent maneuverability. K-Tech's lowest cost to install ADT scraper delivers high productivity on small, heavy-duty construction sites. The all-welded rigid frame Model 1228 ADT has a 28 cubic yard payload capacity, which is impressive. Using Volvo A30G based equipment is one of the most efficient ways to move ground. Exceptional flexibility, fuel efficiency, and short cycle times show that it's worth thinking differently and investing in new technology. Meet your friends. This is one of the best tomato harvesters in the industry. It was manufactured by Pickrite, and it was truly the right solution for difficult soil or field conditions. This machinery was designed to provide increased profitability and efficiency to its customers. Trust me, these tomato harvesters will maximize your investment. Benefits include reliable performance, clean yields, and quality operation in all climates. With the Model 190, you can harvest 30 to 50 tons of tomatoes per hour, regardless of soil and field conditions. This corresponds to excellent recovery and superior tomato varieties. The TG7000 merges cutting-edge technology and robust power, ideal for extensive land clearing and wood waste recycling. It swiftly handles wood waste using Vermeer's unique duplex drum for reduced maintenance, features a microprocessor-controlled PT Tech wet clutch for torque regulation, and a patented cutting system with 10 hammers and 20 dual-bolt blocks. The TG7000's optional air-conditioned cab and grapple loader enables single-operator use, cutting labor costs and boosting site efficiency. Hoopman Machines stands out in the market for their focus on the design and manufacture of specific Holaris onion processing machines. As you can see, their range of machines includes topper, onion harvesters, and topper cutters, each built with reliability in mind and equipped with advanced technology to ensure efficiency and precision in onion processing. These machines are specifically designed to maximize productivity and reduce the physical effort required during harvesting, making the process more economical and less labor-intensive for growers. You don't have to choose between performance and precision. After all, Samson TSB semi-trailers have proven their worth in the field. The company's commitment to flexibility and innovation drives its specialists to develop cutting-edge solutions to meet the changing needs of its customers. Samson TSB is a solid investment, as it offers several working widths, easy integration on new and existing tankers, and a compact transport position. I would also like to emphasize the high loading capacity and excellent contour adaptation. The advantages of the machine include precise application, improved soil penetration, reduced odors and ammonia emissions, and nutrient evaporation. Believe me, this machine will take good care of your plants because it has an economical application style. The new Raptor 100 is a powerful remote-controlled carrier. Combined with the M450H mulcher, it's highly versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications in areas: mulching of brushwood and branches on rough and inaccessible terrain, green space maintenance and forestry work, working on steep terrain, up to 45 degrees. It can work on road and path edges and sensitive surfaces without causing undue damage. You see one of Aljon's most productive machines. This mid-size machine weighs from 127,000 pounds and has several wheel and spike configurations for greater maneuverability. This machine can efficiently handle and compact up to 1,100 tons of trash and debris per day and produce compaction from 572 to 598 pounds per linear inch, depending on configuration. Plus, the modern and productive 543 horsepower Volvo Penta engine requires no regeneration at all. Do you need a reliable swathing tool for your field? The Power Rake from Inorosi is the best solution for those who value quality and efficiency. The distinctive feature of these wheel rakes is the independent movement of each arm, which makes them highly adaptable to different types of soil and terrain. Their design allows not only easy handling of sloping areas, but also perfect swath formation, ensuring clean collection. The new Crossbeat shredding bucket is the most advanced option for loader-mounted shredders. The technique uses a shredding rotor that produces a very fine chop needed to feed cows, sheep, or other livestock. Other bucket shredders use an auger and die system that leaves the beets in large clumps and can cause animals to choke. The auger and die system also does not work with stones. The Crossbeat shredding bucket is equipped with a stone removal device that allows stones to escape without damaging the rotor itself. The shredder is also hydraulically driven, which means there's no need for a PTO pump or any high-flow hydraulic systems. When it comes to professional and efficient large-scale cleaning of public and company areas, conventional sweepers, especially vacuum sweepers, cannot compare to the Grunig Sweeping Fox. Powered by a quiet 3-cylinder diesel engine, this sweeper picks up fine dust as well as large and coarse dirt clumps. Thanks to the side brushes, all corners and edges are swept effortlessly. This self-propelled sweeper also reliably picks up wet debris. The Sweeping Fox is ideal for sweeping uneven surfaces thanks to the sweeping roller's oscillating parallelogram suspension. Mega-bottom dump trailers are designed to handle higher density and higher abrasion materials. MBDs are designed to meet OEM tire and tractor axle load limitations, as well as applicable ROPS, emergency steering, and braking performance criteria. The specific design maximizes the use of OEM components in the development of trailer, suspension, wheel, and brake system components. Wessex Internet is a telecommunications company providing internet services based in the southwest of England, in the rural region of the United Kingdom. Wessex Internet uses efficient cloud technology from Vermeer to get rural communities connected to the web. And guess what? It's working quite successfully. Vermeer's RTX machine does an excellent job of making the perfect hole in the ground to lay the internet cables. And this is what the large tree planting machines of the model range from PL50 to PL90 from the Damcom program look like. All these machines are equipped with a heavy and high-quality digging element that is ideal for planting alley trees, fruit trees, shrubs, and large conifers. The PL75 and PL90 machine types can be equipped with a lifting mass for planting clumps up to 2.95 feet in diameter. Possible groove widths for these machines range from 1.65 to 2.95 feet. Groove depths range from 1.3 to 1.65 feet. One of the most common ways of handling hay and straw is baling, which allows efficient transportation and storage of the agricultural products. One of the most ingenious ways of loading the finished bales is provided by a special bale and boy loader, which is fed to a bale by side-sliding grippers. The loaded bales make contact with the ground but do not fall out. SNPC Machines India is at the forefront of the global brick industry with its groundbreaking mobile BMM brick-making machines. These versatile machines are not only portable and user-friendly, but are also perfect for both small-scale and large-scale brick manufacturers. Their mobility allows for easy relocation, and one model can impressively produce between 6,000 and 25,000 bricks per hour, offering significant cost savings. Additionally, these machines are environmentally friendly, utilizing less water and energy than traditional methods and producing minimal waste. Meet the Rosensteiner Kip Top 2 Basic Hoof Care Stand, the pinnacle of innovation in veterinary and animal care. This standard equipment features a mechanical sliding head protection door that opens downward and adapts to any position of the animal's head, providing easy access and improved safety. Hydraulic tensioning of the abdominal belt ensures a secure hold, while centralized control allows the operator to effectively monitor all processes from the workstation. A high-quality Bosch Rexroth hydraulic power unit with a 1.8 kilowatt electric motor ensures smooth operation and high productivity. This makes the Kip Top 2 Basic ideal for fast and safe hoof care, making the procedure less stressful for the animals and more efficient for farmers. The VRG undercarriage is designed specifically for Valtra's T234 series tractor model bodies. With this auxiliary blade, it's easy and economical to maintain roads all year round. Gravel roads are leveled in summer, and snow, ice, and sleet are removed in winter. When designing the undercarriage, the focus was on simplicity, strength, and durability of construction. The use of the base blade is simplified as much as possible. This machinery has new types of floating blade functions and safety-enhancing functions such as automatic reverse and adjustable blade release system. A work light, mirror, and blade angle indicator are standard, making it easy to use the base blade. In addition, the ground clearance of the Volumed undercarriage is so high that it allows the tractor to be universally used for other jobs as well. Epirock's Smart Rock T40 stands out as a remarkable drilling machine for both quarrying and construction. This machine sets the standard for fuel efficiency, significantly lowering fuel consumption to cut costs and lessen environmental impact. Its developers have enhanced productivity with a suite of intelligent features and options. Advanced plant automation in the Smart Rock T40 brings unprecedented stability and productivity to operations. Primarily used in construction material quarries, the machine excels where efficiency and minimal environmental footprint are crucial. Auger torque brush cutters are designed to fit excavators from 1.5 to 8 tons, and thanks to a new mounting frame design, they have the unique ability to quickly switch from left-handed to right-handed cutting. The cutting deck is 4.9 feet long and has an additional 3.2 feet of extension for a full 8.2 feet of trimming, allowing you to cut branches up to 1.57 inches thick, depending on the type of material. You can easily replace damaged tines, and the trimmer is extremely durable, so it's low maintenance, providing neat, accurate, and tidy trimming of vegetation. The first new generation rail-rail contact vehicle from Hilton, one of the world's leading manufacturers of road rail vehicles, is ready for delivery. The vehicle is built on a MAN FMX 6x4 chassis with a hydrovolume rail drive and provides a maximum track speed of up to 44 miles per hour. The platform has a working height of 46 feet with a maximum basket load of half a ton. Combined with 2 wire positioners, this unit is a very compact multi-purpose machine. 7 more units will be available in 2024. Imagine your next road paving job starting out perfectly smooth, thanks to a wheeled excavator with RF Systems' unique X-Plane dozer blade. Equipped with a laser-guided dozer blade and leveling beam, this miracle machine ensures a completely smooth surface preparation. The X-Plane dozer blade makes the difficulty easy, ensuring that your pavement starts with a perfectly prepared subgrade. Thermal weed control is an effective alternative to chemical weed control products, allowing you to get rid of pesky weed growth around the house. The best solution for such purposes is the ThermoFlam BioFix from Gloria. Their new unit works with a spiral that can reach temperatures of up to 800 degrees Celsius and is ready for use in just 30 seconds. Optimized heat protection and effective weed control are guaranteed thanks to the integrated protection plate and stainless steel reflectors. To use, simply hold the device for a few seconds directly over the plant to be destroyed. The heat brings the cellular fluid to the roots. The expansion of the cell fluid causes the cell walls to rupture. The plant will dry out on its own in a few days. It's not necessary to burn it completely. In the world of road construction and maintenance, worker safety and contractor efficiency come first. This is where X-Cone enters the scene as a fully automatic traffic cone control system, offering a solution that meets both of these requirements. With a 7-inch illuminated touchscreen, drivers can easily adjust the spacing between cones, starting at approximately 32.8 feet and beyond, thus ensuring perfect placement. Furthermore, the X-Cone offers flexibility in use, allowing cones to be placed on either side and in any direction relative to traffic. This not only improves safety on the road, but also makes the process more efficient and less costly for contractors. Dramas International introduces its new D150T open pit dump truck, which meets the specifications required by the truck's operating conditions. The equipment must haul 150 metric tons of gold ore 90 miles round trip on a crushed stone road with an 8-degree grade, and must travel at 31 miles per hour with the load. In the video, the D150T is operating in a mine located in Canada's Great North, where temperatures can drop below 45 degrees Celsius. Therefore, every element has been designed and engineered to provide the best performance, maximum reliability, and safety. The latest wheeled tractor is based on the Kenworth T500 chassis. The machine is equipped with a 605 horsepower X15 engine, an Allison 6620A automatic transmission, and a Namco transfer case. The Rollabar 230 extends raking widths up to 30 feet, providing tremendous capacity to reduce the number of passes needed to get the job done, thereby increasing overall efficiency and productivity. It's ideal for raking swaths produced by self-propelled mowers with heads up to 19 feet wide and center pivot mocos. The Rollabar 230 is easy to adapt to the field and crop conditions. You can change the height and tilt of the basket with a simple turnbuckle adjustment, and the intuitive control box allows you to make changes on the go without getting out of the tractor seat. Plus, using the red and blue buttons on the control box, the Rollabar 230 folds to a width of 10 feet 8 inches for easy maneuverability and confident transportation to your next location. When using the Easy Up to remove paving stones, you'll have the correct ergonomic working posture to avoid back and knee pain. In the Easy Up system, the clutch grips the paving stone from the top and bottom. Once you squeeze the two handles together, the stone can be easily lifted off the paved area. The rubber coating on the handles provides a secure grip throughout. With the bolts at the top of the grip, you can adjust the grip to the thickness of the paving stone. The frame is made of aluminum, so it's easy to work with all day long. Recognizing the danger of burning vehicles in places like underground garages, LUF has developed a rescue vehicle capable of safely evacuating conspicuous or burning electric vehicles from such tight spaces. This remote-controlled machine enables emergency responders to remove cars from a distance. It can lift vehicles weighing up to 3.2 tons, with its tracked chassis ensuring even force distribution on the ground. Have you ever imagined a truck pulling 6 attachments at the same time? Meet Hexatrem, a truck that runs around farms and transports heavy timber. Hauling up to 200 tons per trip, our Volvo FMX was designed for heavy-duty applications, and in this case, towing 6 semi-trailers. It's equipped with a 12-speed I-shift transmission and 2 additional super-low gears. The engine here is a D13 engine with 540 horsepower, which retains power while providing the best balance of economy, performance, and fuel consumption. If your goal is to find a compact and powerful shredding device, the MIDI Force from CPM is the one to find. This shredder transforms the time-consuming process of cleanup into an easy and enjoyable job, thanks to its innovative design and clever shredding chamber. Not only does it shrink trees and shrubs up to 9.8 inches in diameter at a moment's notice, but it's also an indispensable helper for clearing fields and removing unwanted vegetation in farm work. Working widths of 5.7, 6.6, and 7.4 feet make the Midi Force a versatile tool that can adapt to various tasks and conditions. This is a self-propelled, three-wheeled, large-sized bicycle, as it's called, which has a powerful suction unit for clearing fallen leaves from the streets. This machine is maneuverable and can be easily steered by the operator. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents waste from being pushed into the ground by the vehicle beforehand. New fans provide steep suction power and dirt shredding. Due to its small size, this machine is easy to maneuver among objects on the road. The machine can also unload waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. The manufacturer's company offers different variants of the three-wheeled chassis design. It can be used in agriculture and gardening, as well as for other industrial applications that require maneuverability and low pressure on the ground. You see the Schulte GX150 general-purpose rotary mower with a 15-foot flexible wing. Its 10-degree welded steel deck with a single dome makes the mower easy to clean, preventing water, rust, and debris buildup. An 80-degree pivot pinion provides smooth power transfer on tight turns. The best-in-class drive system utilizes Category 6 CVs for 540 RPM and Category 5s for 1000 RPM. The cutter drive itself utilizes self-adjusting friction clutches to protect your investment and consistently operate at peak performance. The unit is equipped with Schulte super suction blades with 6.5-inch blade overlap for maximum lift and grass cutting. The new Wood King Duo saw is designed for quick, safe, and efficient tree limb cutting. Mountable on a specialized loader, it offers right or left-hand installation. This feature enables optimal operator performance. Capable of handling both thin and thick branches, it includes a protective frame for damage resistance. The boom extends 47 inches to the side, allowing roadside operation and limb cutting within the boom's reach. A side counterweight balances the boom's load on the vehicle, reducing the risk of tipping. Sandvik's new Toro truck is a high-performance 45-ton capacity underground dump truck, suitable for 177 by 177-inch excavations. Its excellence lies in its tested design, robust engine, and impressive payload-to-weight ratio. Equipped with intelligent control functions, it enhances the efficiency of rock mass transportation in mines. Notably, it can transport 5 tons more material than its predecessor. To accommodate this increased load, engine power has been boosted from 405 to 450 kilowatts, maintaining the machine's speed. The newfangled truck-mounted live-bottom trailer that you see is a unit that offers the same versatility, functionality, and safety as the Trout River live-bottom trailer. This unit allows you to work in tight, confined spaces without worrying about overhead obstructions. Some key features include a wide 34-inch wide conveyor system with a versatile all-season belt, forward and reverse control for the conveyor belt, and hydraulic feed and return lines. Other interesting features include TRI's patented 3-inch pitch TRI chain with removable crossbars, adjustable chain lubrication system, and a pneumatically operated, electrically operated rear door. Opens to 90 degrees. Krone has launched 2 new and powerful bow mowers, the EasyCut B 880 CV-CR Collect and B 1050 CV Collect. These machines are equipped with air conditioning as standard and can be optionally supplemented with cross conveyors. In addition, with the EasyCut B 1050 CV, you can combine swaths using the cross conveyor augers. These mowers are ideal for those who are looking for efficiency and power in the care for large areas. Mechanical removal of aquatic weeds is becoming a popular solution for many reasons, and it's easy to see why WeDo is the right solution. Aquatic weeds can cause many problems, from clogging waterways and reducing water flow, to creating habitat for undesirable species and causing erosion. Mechanical removal with WeDo does not involve the use of harmful chemicals or biological agents that can negatively impact the aquatic ecosystem. This makes it a safer and environmentally friendly option for aquatic weed control. Sherpa Z20 is the most powerful electric mini loader. As powerful as many fuel-powered models, with no harmful emissions. The electric machine is only 76 centimeters wide and is, of course, ergonomically optimized. The Sherpa Z20 is also equipped with a hydraulic quick-release mechanism and 2 travel speeds, a fast position for covering long distances and a slow position for precise maneuvering. In addition, the mini loader is equipped with a unique start-stop system and a maintenance-free lithium-ion battery. The Z20 is also equipped with an adjustable footrest for added driver comfort. In this video, we can see the mini loader working in tandem with a heavy-duty jackhammer. The JCB loader model Agri-Load-All is an exceptional performance due to innovation, their own developments, powerful engines, efficient hydraulic system, and high versatility. Each individual model and equipment of the series was developed to meet the needs of consumers. And with a live link system, your telehandler will always be under reliable control, by you personally and by the company's highly qualified specialists. With this loader at your fingertips, you'll accomplish any task in no time. The engine power of this machine is 100 horsepower, and the engine displacement is 4.4 liters with a torque of 320 Newton meters. Discover the groundbreaking Seraphin Ultiso S18 single-disc air seeder, revolutionizing the approach to seeding in 2021. This 59-foot no-till planter conserves maximum moisture while avoiding stubble burning. Features on the model include a sturdy frame and seating sections that can withstand rocky conditions. The Exapta Uniforce hydraulic press system ensures perfect seed placement, increasing seeding efficiency. This drill is suitable for a wide range of crops and provides high productivity with minimal crop losses. One hydraulic movement, and Blackhawk Etnire trailers stretch up to 26 feet, offering double the platform area with no additional hardware. Holding up to 65 tons, these miracle trailers provide stability through a low landing, making it easy to haul bulky loads. And guess what? What you have here right now is truly the perfect choice for those looking for maximum functionality in standard dimensions. The CA30 is a modern vibratory road roller that is ideal for a wide variety of applications. The heavy roller is highly resistant to wear, even when compacting stone aggregate. The cam roller version can be used when working with fine-grained material such as soft clay or mixed grits. This roller is capable of compacting bottom and subgrade layers to a greater depth, and its interchangeable rollers further increase the roller scope of application. The Italian Cymex VSE 40 screening bucket is an indispensable assistant for companies engaging in laying truck pipelines. It's installed on all types of excavators weighing from 25 to 45 tons, such as Hitachi, Volvo, Komatsu, Caterpillar, Hyundai, Tucson, JCB, Case, Bobcat, etc. It's used for soil grading during backfilling of pipeline trenches. The new system allows several configurations depending on the materials to be screened. Cymex provides users with 3 different settings, but many more are possible due to the 100% interchangeability of the screening elements. Gens has unveiled its new BA915D biomass processor, specially designed for substrate processing and optimizing composting processes. This shredder stands out with its unparalleled throughput capacity and features like rapidly interchangeable knives and a sieve basket. The machine's maintenance has been enhanced, with the output belt now swingable to the side at a button's touch, providing clear access to the rotor. Additionally, its low drop height from the belt hopper, at only 79 inches, facilitates easier loading and shortens the wheel loader lift operation, leading to reduced energy consumption and quicker loading cycles. The Bergman C815S wheeled dump truck combines safety and driving comfort with a very high level of performance. This demonstrates that safety, efficiency, off-road performance, and driving comfort are perfectly combined. With maximum visibility, this machine offers a forward speed of 25 miles per hour and a reverse speed of 19 miles per hour, making it the most efficient machine, even on tight job sites. The swiveling operator's console is unique in its class, which you've already noticed. The machine handles all of its daily tasks with confidence. The Outlaw Pump Trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even in the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Its 3-section boom swivels 270 degrees, 180 degrees to the left and 90 degrees right, allowing for single-location installation and multiple pump-outs at once. Installation and removal is done without starting the engine, but the 12-volt DC hydraulic pump automatically controls the scraper. The electric pump also provides backup hydraulic flow for emergency boom operation. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.